Deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad 330S-15IKB laptop. Thank you, Sir Benjoy, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Performing a deep cleaning, the internal components are cleared of dust and dirt, improving airflow and ensuring the cooling system operates efficiently. This process helps prevent overheating, maintains stable performance during heavy workloads, and reduces the risk of hardware failure caused by excessive heat. Regular deep cleaning is especially beneficial for laptops used for gaming, heavy multitasking, or extended periods of operation, as these activities generate more heat. It is also a preventive measure that extends the device's lifespan and minimizes the need for costly repairs in the future. For the best results and to avoid damage during cleaning, having it done by a professional technician is recommended. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.